Hi, at Hidden Level, we have developed, we manufacture, we test, and we deploy technology that detects RF signals in our environment. Signals like the types of signals that drones emit. When we test this technology today, we are setting up our sensors in an outdoor environment, and we're collecting data against a drone flight that is operated by a drone pilot. Today we're able to, with this new technology that we're deploying, the anechoic chamber, we're able to test this in a very automated fashion. This is going to improve not just our capacity and our ability to scale our production. We'll be able to produce what we were able to do in about a week, in about a day today. Kind of with that, we're also improving the quality and the validation of the technology much more efficiently and effectively.